everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how we can easily prepare a herbal hair conditioner for smooth, shiny and bouncy hair. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Note that you can either add gram flour or egg. And now it's time to make the herbal hair conditioner. Firstly, we'll be adding the white powders. Arrowroot powder has antifungal properties, makes the hair softer and smoother, and also used as a dry shampoo. Next up, adding rice flour. It helps to improve the hair elasticity, makes the hair manageable, and also removes the hair impurities. And now adding on the green powders. Firstly, guava leaf powder. Secondly, lemon leaf powder. And thirdly, mango leaf powder. Guava leaf powder. It helps to resolve the scalp issues, has the ability to stop hair loss and protects the hair from UV rays. Lemon leaf powder contains vitamin C, unclogs the hair follicles, is used as a scalp cleanser, and is also known as a natural bleaching agent. Next up, mango leaf powder. It contains antioxidant which protects the hair follicles from damage, is known to provide natural black color to the hair, and also provides shine to the hair. And now we'll convert the aloe vera gel into a liquid using a hand blender or a whisk. This might take some time. Once you observe white bubbles all over it, like a foamy appearance, it's right time to add the honey. Honey locks the luster and shine of the hair, helps fight against hair fall and baldness. Next up, we'll add our base ingredients, which we left undisturbed for 3 hours, little by little. And now it's time to add gram flour. Gram flour helps rejuvenate the hair follicles, balances the scalp oils, add volume, and also prevents the dryness and frizziness of the hair. And now adding coconut oil. Coconut oil helps prevent the hair breakage, prevents the hair from having split ends, and also provides deep absorption in the hair shaft. And now comparing both the herbal hair conditioner with and without egg, or you can say with gram flour and the other one with egg. Egg yolk is a superfood for the hair as it contains vitamin A, E, biotin and folate. Also, egg enhances the elasticity of the hair, adds shine and repairs the hair. It is also known to improve the hair texture. And now we will store this mixture in an airtight container, allow it to be refrigerated, and the shelf life is about 1 to 2 weeks. And now it's time for the application. Start applying the mix right from your root to the end of your hair strands. Make sure you leave this mix on your hair for about 2 hours before washing it. You don't need to apply any hair serum or hair conditioner. Just shampooing your hair is enough. Make sure you apply it thoroughly all over your hair. And then allow this mask to sit on your hair for about 2 hours. If you want, you can also wear a hair cap. And now it's time for the results. This is how my hair looks after the first wash. It has become more shinier and manageable than it was before. And that's it. So that's how easily you can prepare this herbal hair conditioner at home. And this is how my hair looks on the second day after I have washed it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know in the comments if you would like to see more such videos. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.